Perfect. Thank you. Happy to be here. I have heard so much interesting presentations today. I'm going to talk a little bit about us. So I represent Blockchain Sweden, and we are Sweden's industry association for blockchain technology companies. So I will talk about who we are and, more importantly, our Vinnova-funded initiative, the national platform for blockchain innovation, and also why we think you should be a part of it. So just before I move to the Vinnova project, just let me briefly explain who we are. So Blockchain Sweden is a non-profit industry association representing the Swedish blockchain ecosystem. And that means our role is to improve the conditions for companies working with blockchain and to contribute to Sweden's position in Europe. So we work closely with policymakers and regulators, conducting national surveys and also organize industry dialogues and events, workshops, etc. So we can call ourselves the connection between industry, public sector, academia, and policymakers. So in short, a natural collaboration platform for the blockchain ecosystem. And today, I mean, there is opportunity, but there is also a gap. Sweden is globally competitive in several strategic important sectors, such as finance, AI, cybersecurity, defense, sustainable supply chains. We have also heard a lot of DDPs today. And blockchain technology has strong potential in all of these areas, and especially in terms of security, traceability, efficiency, and trust. But however, today, the practical implementation of blockchain technology remains limited in Sweden, and there is no clear national overview of how blockchain is currently being used. Collaboration is fragmented across sectors, and many organizations face regulatory, technical, or organizational barriers without knowing how to address them or knowing how others are addressing similar changes. So this is the gap our initiative aims to address and finding good ways forward. So the National Platform for Blockchain Innovation, it is, as mentioned, funded by Vinnova. It is running from 2025 to 2027 and led by us, Blockchain Sweden. And the purpose is threefold. First, of course, to accelerate blockchain adoption in Sweden within these strategically important sectors, such as AI, cybersecurity, defense, financial systems, and traceable supply chains, also industry and energy. And then second, to establish a structured and long-term national collaboration platform. And thirdly, to clearly identifies these practical barriers and opportunities. So not just having these theoretical discussions, but also real implementation challenges and finding good ways forward and pilots forward. So the project is structured in two main phases. The first one is a national mapping, and we conduct this with a survey, and the survey is followed by in-depth interviews with selected participants. So we identify existing use cases within this targeted sector and also barriers for implementation and adoption. So whether that is regulatory, organizational, or technical, we need to find the barriers. And then these findings are compiled into a national baseline report, and that report is shared with all of the participating stakeholders. Phase 2 focuses on collaboration and ways forward. So based on this mapping results, we organize targeted workshops and structured dialogue meetings, bringing together industry, public sector, academia, and policymaker. And the objective is, of course, to move from understanding to action, finding good ways forward. And why participate is, of course, by joining your organization, get access to this unique national overview of blockchain adoption in Sweden. You gain insights into how other sectors are approaching similar challenges, and you build strategic cross-sector connections. Importantly, you have the opportunity to shape the future of pilot incentives and the national direction in Sweden. And it is also very important to emphasize that you do not need to use blockchain technology now. Just every organization that is at an early stage or just more curious of how it works and if it could be a good fit for them are very welcome to reach out to us and join this initiative. And why are we doing this now, and why should you join now? I mean, we see across Europe, blockchain adoption is accelerating. We have new regulations coming into place, and several of EU's countries are already testing real use cases. So Sweden also has strong capabilities, but we are not yet moving in a coordinated way. So if we don't act now, we risk falling behind. So this initiative really wants to bring the right actors together and identify practical opportunities and moving forward strategically. So we are inviting all organizations to join the project, and we would be very happy to have you involved. So if your organization or if you know of any organization that would be interested to participate in this project, we are very happy to hear from you. And you can scan this QR code to come to our website. I'm actually also going to write in the chat just an email so you can get in touch with us. Blockchain, it's hard to talk and write at the same time. So it's npbi@blockchainsweden.com if you want to talk to us.